Hello and welcome to my kitchen. If you're craving a juicy, tender, cheese-topped burger, then you have come to the right place. So today I'm going to show you how I make beef burgers at home from the best kind of ground beef, and I'll give you some tips how I make patties. So don't skip this video, watch till it ends. Let's start making it. Starting with a hot pan, adding 1 tablespoon of oil in it, and 2 medium-sized chopped onions goes in. Adding 1 tablespoon red chili flakes. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir this for at least 1 minute till onions becomes translucent. And then keep aside. Take a bowl, add 700 grams grounded beef. Before adding it in a bowl, I'll put it in the grinder and pulse it twice to get the right texture. The texture of the keema should be in this consistency. And now I'm going to add onion mixture. Then goes in 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons paprika powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, goes in salt, adding 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons hot sauce. Combine all the ingredients with your hand. Then goes in 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Give this a very good mix. Keep aside for an hour. Sometimes we don't get the right shape for the patties, so I am adding a tip on how to get the perfect shape for your burger patties. I am taking a jar lid, apply a drop of olive oil in it. Now tap your patties in the lid, and there you go. Look at the shape of my patties. Aren't they perfect? And now I'll show you how I make homemade burger sauce. Adding 1 cup of mayo in a bowl. Then goes in onion mixture. Adding 2 tablespoons finely chopped cabbage. Goes in 1 tablespoon hot sauce. And adding 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Give a very good mix and keep aside. To shallow fry these patties for 3 minutes each side. It will taste fantastic even if you grill it on an electric grill. It is still frying, add a slice of cheese to the patty. Wait till the cheese starts melting. Now it's time to assemble the burger. Before I assemble, toast burger buns with some butter. Applying mayo on it. Now placing lettuce on top. Top up with beef patties with melted cheese. And then apply some homemade burger sauce on it. And there you go, the ultimate classic beef burger. Perfectly seasoned, juicy beef patties between 2 warm buns. It's simple to put together and it's super impressive. Do try this at home and you won't be surprised why this is my favorite dish. Let me know what you think. Share images on my Insta page, shimmies.kitchen, right below there. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you next time. Take care and happy cooking.